Hi, we're back.
It's Vlogmas episode 2. Today we're going to decorate our tree together. This is my favorite part of the decorating season because we get out all of our sentimental ornaments and we get to be reminded of all of our special trips and all the things that we've been collecting. So it's super exciting.
I like it because I get to eat cookies.
Yeah. This is my favorite time of year, and I just love decorating with my little decorator. We love to do red and pink as our main colors for the holiday, and definitely candy themed. I'm trying not to buy all new decor each season because it's just so unnecessary. I think the hardest part is keeping all the garlands and lights from tangling. Our tree is true vintage, flocked and full of sentimental ornaments. I love keeping our annual ornaments of our trips on the tree. I just love how nostalgic the tree gets. We got our ornament box out. It's like my favorite thing to just store all of our beautiful ornaments in, and we keep our Christmas cards in there and put them in the tree too. Let's get started. The garlands are on. Now let's put ornaments on the tree. Teamwork.
I know the first thing I'm gonna put on the tree. This weird gnome thing that I made.
I have to find my Disney ornaments. Here's Chip and some kindergarten.
Okay, montage.
We've definitely learned that it's a good idea to put the tree up, hang the lights and garlands, and then take a big break. Maybe even take a day off. And then do your ornaments and the more magical things afterwards, because it's such a tedious task just to do the initial setup. Pace yourself. Willow made that when she was in 3rd grade, and it's so lovely. Let me see it again. Hold it up close. This is one of my favorite ornaments for Christmas. So special and detailed.
And then
these are from her mermaid party when she was 2. We made little favors, and we put these on our little driftwood tree. I'll show you that in a second. So cute. So we can't put the mermaids on the driftwood lamp because the kitty. Okay, so we're gonna have to be a little more careful. Our Disney ornaments and my child's homemade ornaments really steal the show on our tree, and they fill us with so much joy. Our cats are fully involved in our decorating process, in case you haven't noticed. Gus Gus was one of my childhood ornaments, and he's just the best. I love this ornament. After looking at this tree and kind of assessing how it's coming out, I need to move all the red ornaments down and maybe to the back, because my pink theme and red theme is really more of a dominant pink with pastels and pops of subtle red. I don't like really powerful red in my Christmas, so I'm gonna have to move those around. And our Disneyland trip. This was my favorite when you were a little angel at chapel. Are you guys obsessed with ornaments, or do you like a little bit more of a modern tree? Comment below. There's also going to be like a third aspect to decorating this tree, which you'll see in Vlogmas episode 3. And that's where we're going to be adding like floral stabs and sparkling stabs and matching it to our mantle a little bit more, and possibly even making a wreath to match. So stay tuned for that. Willow is making clothesman Christmas dolls and fancy dresses. There's more to come about this topic in our next video. Just kind of showing you like how she puts them together and stuff. And they're just so beautiful and sweet. And I have them peppered throughout my house actually. This is a must-do, y'all. Every year we slice oranges and dry them in the oven all day long, and it adds this like wonderful natural dried fruit element to our wreaths and garlands. And I love this homemade aspect so much because it's something that you can do in your warm kitchen with your family, and you can keep them for a year, I think maybe a little bit longer if you want to stretch it. It's so special, and it's just so nice to make something so natural. So here are the dried oranges. They have to be completely dried, so not yet. We're close though. I also love adding this pop of orange with the pastels and the reds and pinks. We got our holiday drinks. This is peppermint mocha. This is my first holiday drink from Starbucks. And Willow, you got pink drink. Can I see your cup? It's so cute. It has little bows on it. Super cute little bows.
I wanna. Mom.
I know, how cute is that? We are Christmas shopping tonight, checking it all out. So let's go. If you have a tween, then you get the whole obsession with Ulta. We went on a mommy-daughter date to Ulta Beauty in the night, and it was so fun. And I just love everything they have there, actually. They also had an entire Osea section, which was amazing because I'm the ultimate Osea fan. I have links to all my favorites below. One mom tip I've been loving is the act of photographing all of the things that my daughter wants for Christmas. I don't know if you do this with your kids, but it is amazing. I can see everything that she wants. I can see all the brands and the prices. She feels satisfied that I captured her wildest dreams on camera. And now I can sit back and plan Christmas spending, which is one of my favorite things to do.
It's like the 3-pack.
Adorable. This cute little section. Thanks for watching our Vlogmas episode 2. We have so much more in store for you for Vlogmas episode 3, so definitely check us out next week. See you next time.